Welcome back. Here's Adi Godrej detailing the numbers of Godrej Consumers.
Sales for the quarter were up 26%. Sales in the domestic area were up 20% over the same quarter of the previous year. PBT was up 12% in the domestic area and 8% for the consolidated results. However, the advertising and promotion expenditure was extremely heavy during the quarter because of the launch of several new products, particularly the Godrej Expert Creme in sachets, which has been extremely successful, the new air freshener Air, AER, Godrej Air, which has also been very successful, and of course the relaunch of the entire Synthol range. If you take the profit growth before advertising and promotion, it was 32% in the domestic area and 25% consolidated. So we've had a very good quarter. We expect our performance to continue to be very good in the fourth quarter, especially since vegetable oil prices, which is the major raw material for our soap business, have come down, and we will benefit from that in the fourth quarter. Also, we announced the divestiture of our non-core food business in Indonesia, which will add to for about $35 million. It will add very considerably to our profits in the fourth quarter because the book value of that business was rather small and there won't be much of a tax bite on it. So the fourth quarter will have a high exceptional income. Thank you.
That's Adi Godrej on the Godrej Consumer numbers. Let's switch to another large cap company still awaiting the Bharti results. R. Shankar Raman.